All right, algebra, this is the table method for chapter 7.3 of multiplying polynomials. And the idea is pretty simple. You just take your quantities and essentially you're going to make multiplication tables. Every method has its place, okay? I actually sort of enjoyed doing this one. 3x times x is 3x squared. 3x times negative 4 is negative 12x. I wouldn't choose this method first, but every once in a while it has its benefits. X times 1 is x, and then negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. And so then we take them over here, or you can do it underneath, it doesn't matter. And we have 3x squared minus 12x. This is positive x, and that's negative 4. And so we combine like terms, and so that's 3x squared minus 11x minus 4. And it doesn't matter which one's on the vertical or the horizontal. So for instance, this time over here I went vertical and this was horizontal. I'll do that opposite this time. I'll put r here, minus 5 over here. So that's the horizontal. The vertical will be 2r, and this will be negative 1. And there you go. 2r times r is 2r squared. 2r times negative 5 is negative 10r. r times negative 1 is negative r. And then negative 5 times negative 1 is positive 5. And so then we go over here. Again, we set everything up. 2r squared minus 10r minus r plus 5. We start adding. 2r squared minus 11r plus 5. Okay, and on this last example, it's a binomial and a trinomial. So my advice would be similar to this one. I would look at the way what I have left to work with, and I decide which one would go horizontal. I think the trinomial will go lengthwise. So I'll put the b squared up here plus the minus 2b. Or no, it is plus, and that's minus 7. And then the b and the negative 3 will go here. So we have a 2 by 3 rectangle. All right, so b squared times b is b cubed. B times 2b is 2b squared. And negative 7 times b is negative 7b. None of these are like terms. B squared times negative 3 is negative 3b squared. 2b times negative 3, negative 6b. And then finally, negative 7 times negative 21 is positive 21. So here I go. I'm going to write b cubed plus 2b squared minus 7b. And then I have negative 3b squared minus 6b plus 21. So my answer is going to be b cubed. 2b squared minus 3b squared is negative b squared. Negative 7b and negative 6b make negative 13b. And then finally plus 21. And that's the the table method.